Hello everyone, it's Loretta, and don't worry, this is actually not a messy desk. Even though it probably kind of looks like that. I wanted to share this with you again because it's been a while since I updated how I store some things. When I have no Mojo, or it's left the building, I like to sit, stamp, and color, and then I put the stamped images into bags by category, like what they are. Like this one is bugs and small flowers, things of that nature, so kind of a nature theme one. This is a Christmas one. And then, even though this doesn't belong in here, and I'll show you where these belong, these are Shrinky Dinks. And I have some die cut deer and some plum fun little baby things right there. I have some die cut hearts, and I do have some other die cuts that do stay in here. Here are some images. I think these are from Creative Desert Divas. Pretty sure they are. And then this is actually a little card that I was starting but didn't finish. And it's kind of a laundry themed one. And so it's got dies and stamps in there only because I was working on it when I put it away. Here are some little peeps, like Easter, I guess. Another sweet little deer. But another Shrinky Dink doesn't belong in here. So that's what this box looks like. And then all I had to do is pick up a package and make a card. In this divided box, I do have shrink plastic that I have already stamped, either die cut or hand cut, and shrank down using either a heat gun or my little oven. And they're just kind of roughly by category. So we have some small little Christmas bulbs, and I have some penguins, a bird. But because this is shrink plastic, it's pretty easy to see that they have, that I have. This is a adorable little girl minion that I made a long time ago, with some leaves for fall. It's coming up fast. I do need to replenish this. We have another Shrinky Dink box, which is this one. This is all flowers, bees, and butterflies, and I so need to sit and just stamp some more of these, because they are way deplenished. I did keep a couple of small little flowers in here, but we will go ahead and show you those. And then in here, this is all die cut from felt. 95% of it's felt anyway. And some cardstock. This is the My Favorite Things flower card kit die that came out several months ago, and I cut a bunch and put them in here for quick card making. And then last but by no means least is this big box that has die cuts in it, and it just is mostly flowers and flower parts and things like that. So I hope this gives you some ideas of how to store some of your die cuts and things to help create cards or other projects with, especially if your Mojo is on vacation. If you'd like and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos. Stay happy and be a blessing. Thank you again for joining me. Bye for now.